What's up, guys? This week we're going to talk about marriage and owning an HVAC business. Welcome to the HVAC Millionaire YouTube channel. As always, I am your host, Coach Kelly. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment below, and hit that notification bell so you can be the first in line to see the latest video dropped. This week, in the HVAC Millionaire Coaching Program, we took a deep dive into hiring the right people to join your company. I have found one of the best processes to do this effectively. However, if you skip any of the steps in the process, well, good luck. If you haven't joined the HVAC Millionaire Coaching Program that comes with a course that's going to give you an education in business, comes with an operations manual, and the weekly coaching calls, be sure to click the link in the description below to watch the free training. And if you're interested, book a strategy session phone call with one of the coaches. Now today we're talking about owning an HVAC business while being married. And here's what I can tell you. By the third or fourth year in my business, my marriage was just getting worse and worse due to the long hours I spent serving customers. I worked no less than 6 days a week, and when I was home, I found myself working on bids or returning phone calls to customers. The business had absolutely consumed my life. And thankfully, my wife and I, we got through this difficult time in our lives, but I can't imagine that there are a lot of people in the same situation that I found myself in, that maybe weren't able to work it out or weren't able to stick together. And that's one of the tough things about owning a business. But look, guys, no one in your life who loves you wants to take a backseat to your business. And because we're constantly putting out fires or saving the day, that's exactly what happens. The next thing you know, the spouse, the kids, the house, and even the dogs will come second in your life. And these relationships, they're far harder to repair than any business problem, so you just can't neglect them. Now, the first step to changing anything is to become aware. Once you're aware of the damage that your behavior is causing, then you can begin to change it. So today we're going to talk about 3 things to focus on to ensure that you can build your business and stay married. Number 1, quality time. It's not always about how much time you spend with loved ones, but the quality of that time spent with loved ones. We're talking about presence here. You know, you got to be focused with the time that you do spend with these special people in your life. Put your phone in another room or set it to silent. During this time, let them know just how much you love them and how much you miss them today. Spend time doing what they love to do, and also ask them questions to learn more about everything that they're thinking and feeling. You got to be empathetic to their needs and listen closely so that you can fulfill those needs. I highly, highly recommend that you and your spouse take the 5 love languages quiz. Just search 5 love languages quiz on Google, and it's a free quiz. Just take it, and it helps you learn each other's love language. This will help you both identify the love languages so that you both know what each person needs to feel loved. I also recommend having your employees do this as well. Number 2, say no. Every time you say yes to something that takes up your time, you're saying no to something else that you could be spending your time doing. If you're in the habit of overextending yourself, it's time to stop it. It can feel uncomfortable at first when saying no to some of the demands that your business or employees can ask of you, and here's what I have to tell you. Get over it. Feel the fear and do it anyways. This is your life we're talking about. You only live once, and you're not going to make it out alive. The task that you're asked to do will build an asset, meaning something that will actually give you more time, energy, and money, then by all means do it. But if it robs you of time, energy, and money with little to no return, don't do it. Say no more often to things that don't move the needle so you can spend the majority of your time on building assets. Step number 3. The third thing that I want you to focus on that will ensure your business continues to grow and ensure you continue to stay married is forming a mastermind with your spouse. Napoleon Hill said, "No mind is complete by itself. It needs contact and association with other minds to grow and expand." This relationship, when properly cultivated, creates a dynamic where the loved one will support and aid in the attainment of your goal. When you take the time to communicate and share why you want to grow the business, your desire and passion to grow the business, your goals in growing the business, and your vision for the business, and you can articulate what's in it for them, you might have just formed the most powerful mastermind that can catapult your growth, but also have someone to talk to when things are tough. My spouse is my biggest supporter. She listens to my business stories of victory, and she lets me know that things will be all right when I'm feeling defeated. Without this mastermind between my wife and I can't say I'd still be running my business. She allows me to pursue my dreams, and that's why she's my best friend, and she's the reason I will be victorious in my business pursuits. So there you have it, guys. Focus on these 3 things, and I can promise you, your life will improve in the ways that truly count. Thanks for watching, and hope you're having a great summer. Go make money. Boom.